In the world of modern architecture, the fusion of industrial aesthetics with tropical tranquility is a rare but captivating balance. A modern concrete home, infused with industrial charm, brings together the raw beauty of concrete, steel, and glass while embracing the lush serenity of nature. This design philosophy redefines contemporary living, where bold materials meet organic surroundings, offering a space that is both powerful and peaceful. Concrete is no longer just a structural necessity, it is a design statement. Its raw texture, cool tones, and unyielding strength give homes a modern, sophisticated character. In this industrial-style residence, exposed concrete walls are not merely functional but serve as a canvas for light and shadow. Paired with large windows and open spaces, the house breathes, allowing natural elements to soften its robust personality. The industrial style finds beauty in imperfection. Exposed steel beams, polished concrete floors, and rustic wood accents create a setting that feels authentic and grounded. This home is a testament to the elegance of raw materials, where every detail, from the metal frame doors to the carefully aged textures, adds depth and character. The contrast between industrial ruggedness and tropical warmth makes the space feel effortlessly stylish yet inviting. Despite its urban-inspired aesthetic, this home is deeply connected to its natural surroundings. Expansive glass panels open up to tropical greenery, allowing soft breezes and dappled sunlight to filter through the space. Courtyards, water features, and open-air corridors ensure that the lines between indoors and outdoors are intentionally blurred. The result is a home that not only stands strong against time but also breathes in harmony with nature. Industrial modern homes thrive on openness, and this design is no exception. High ceilings, wide hallways, and multifunctional living areas enhance the feeling of space and freedom. Furniture choices lean towards minimalism with neutral palettes, clean lines, and carefully curated textures. Every piece serves a purpose, maintaining the home's uncluttered yet stylish atmosphere. The simplicity of the design amplifies the beauty of its materials, proving that less truly can be more. While industrial homes often feature cooler tones, warmth is introduced through natural wood, soft lighting, and subtle tropical touches. Handcrafted wooden furniture, woven textures, and indoor plants soften the strength of concrete and steel. This balance ensures that the home does not feel stark but instead radiates a welcoming, lived-in charm. It's a space where industrial design meets organic comfort, creating an atmosphere of refined relaxation. Lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the industrial aesthetic while maintaining the home's tranquil atmosphere. Instead of harsh, bright lights, a mix of warm pendant lighting, recessed fixtures, and natural daylight softens the space. Edison bulbs, suspended metal lamps, and indirect LED strips highlight the textures of concrete and wood, creating an ambience that shifts effortlessly from day to night. The result is a home that feels both dramatic and inviting. A modern concrete home in a tropical setting isn't complete without thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces. An open-air lounge, a shaded patio, or even a reflective water feature seamlessly extend the home's footprint into the lush surroundings. Industrial-style pergolas with creeping vines provide respite from the sun, while stone pathways lead to serene garden nooks. These outdoor areas are not just add-ons but integral to the home's design, ensuring a lifestyle that celebrates both comfort and nature. In tropical climates, passive cooling strategies are essential. High ceilings encourage airflow, while large sliding doors allow for natural cross-ventilation. Carefully placed overhangs and deep-set windows reduce direct sunlight, keeping interiors cool without excessive reliance on air conditioning. The materials themselves, thermal-efficient concrete and strategic greenery, help maintain a comfortable temperature, proving that sustainable solutions can also be effortlessly stylish. A home is more than its materials. It's a reflection of those who live in it. While the industrial aesthetic favors a minimal and structured look, personal touches bring warmth and individuality. Art pieces, handcrafted decor, or even vintage industrial furnishings infuse the home with character. In this modern concrete retreat, every design choice tells a story, blending contemporary sophistication with a deeply personal sense of home. A well-designed home does more than impress, it enhances everyday life. The openness of the spaces fosters a sense of freedom, while the strategic placement of furniture and fixtures ensures both functionality and aesthetics. From the effortless flow between rooms to the natural textures that age gracefully, this modern concrete home is designed not just for today, but for timeless living. This home stands as a testament to the evolution of contemporary architecture. It defies conventions by merging industrial strength with tropical serenity, proving that raw materials can be refined, and bold structures can coexist with nature. More than just a place to live, this modern concrete home is an experience, an innovative vision of how design, environment, and lifestyle can intertwine beautifully. As we explore the harmony of industrial charm and tropical tranquility, it's clear that this modern concrete home is more than just a structure. It's a philosophy of living. It embraces strength while welcoming softness, celebrates modernity while staying grounded in nature, and offers a timeless sanctuary where style and serenity coexist. A home like this is not just built, it's crafted with intention, designed to be lived in, and destined to inspire.